Hello planner babes, and welcome back to my channel. I know we all love these beautiful sticker kits that are all over the internet, but what do we do with all of our leftover sticker kits? In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I like to use my leftover sticker kits to create a weekly planner spread. And I just love the way it turned out. I hope this gives you guys inspiration on what you can do with your leftover sticker kits. Don't let them go to waste. You spent your hard-earned money on them, so why not put them to good use and put them in your planner? So I have a ton of leftover sticker kits, as you can see, some of them with just a few stickers, some of them almost completely full. So the first thing I like to do is separate them by color palette, matching up stickers with other like stickers from other kits, and I just think this just helps out so much if you separate them from the beginning so that you're not scrambling through your pile again and again trying to find other colors that match the palette you're going with. And for this planner spread, I went with more of these spring colors, so light pinks, light blues, purples, and it also matches my monthly spread of April. I just love how it's going to be matching. It is the first week of April that we're doing this planner spread on, and it totally matches my rosé themed month. Now that we're on that clean, fresh slate, I'm starting off by putting these adorable stickers at the bottom of each page, and I'm just so shocked that I did not use these before. So it's just perfect because there's going to be 3 on each side, and all of the colors that are on these little washi tape stickers are the colors that are going to be also throughout the entire weekly spread. And I had so many of these remember stickers, which is perfect because I like to put my to-do list for work at the top of my planner. So these little remember stickers will be right above my to-do list boxes, and I'm grabbing these boxes from different kits, and I love the way the colors just flow together. And surprisingly, I had a lot of the full-size boxes of the to-do lists, as well as half boxes that match the same colors from those full-size boxes. So it was just perfect. Imagine if I had thrown these kits away right after using most of the stickers. I would not have had a ton of matching boxes for this planner spread. So I love the different patterns, the colors. It's just all gonna flow really well together and look very much like a spring layout. And these stickers that I'm laying down here, they're not all the same size, but that does not matter because as long as the colors look somewhat alike, the size of them does not matter. So all the point is to cover up all of that purple so that we can have the matching colors throughout the entire planner spread. And then I'm also going to be adding in other additional stickers that may not be from those kits, but I have leftovers from other kits or sticker books, like the Bill Do stickers, the Day Off sticker, and also these cute little dolls I actually got at the Chicago Planner Conference, so I thought they would be the perfect thing to add to this spread since we're adding a bit of pink to it. And now I'm going in with the pen and just filling in what occurred throughout the week, including this bill that was due. I also wrote down where I was working throughout each day in case I needed to remember to do something at the office or at home. And I also started off a very busy week with a nice dinner date with 2 of my friends at the Fulton Market area in Chicago. We just had a delicious dinner with drinks. And I'm also filling in my to-do list for each day. And since this week already happened, it was really easy to fill in what happened every day. And my boyfriend and I also went to see his brother perform at a play at NEIU called Grand Hotel. We went on opening night, which was really cool. So this is how my planner spread is looking so far. This is just half of it filled in with the pen, and now we're gonna fill in that other half that is very empty right now. So again, starting off with filling in what I had to do every day. This is when my week started getting very busy, actually since Monday, but Thursday was like crunch time to get everything ready for a really big event that we had going on Saturday at work. And also I had my last day of the bowling season happening that week. It was just a very busy week, guys. But look at how adorable these stickers are. I am absolutely in love with every single page. Holographic stickers are so in right now, and I found this book at Michael's. I believe they are from Shine Sticker Company, I believe, but you can buy this book at Michael's. Oh yeah, Shine Sticker Studio. But you can buy that book for $5 at Michael's, and they have other adorable things from that same company as well. So again, Saturday was another busy day. I worked and I had a big event happening at Jewel. As you can see, my mood was just very, very low. But one of the biggest things from Saturday, which was awesome, that brightened my day, was that I recorded my collab with Belinda Celine. If you haven't checked it out, please do so. It is the video right before this one, so do not forget to check it out. Give it a thumbs up. But that was awesome to have recorded my first collab, and it was with my friend. And then Sunday just continued to be another busy day, having a Princess House demonstration at my sister's house. And then later on that day, I spent some time with my boyfriend, his sister, her friend, and my boyfriend's friends. We went bowling, we had a few drinks, we ate some fries, hot dogs. It was just a super, super fun night to end that super busy week for me. So this is how my planner spread turned out using leftover sticker kits. I hope it gives you guys some inspiration on what you can do with those stickers that you just have laying around instead of tossing them out. And again, I used my pen from Cloth and Paper, and you guys can get it too on their website. I'll leave it linked down below, and you can use my coupon code Jessica10 for a discount. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Please like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!